Hello guys, welcome back to the Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. In this video we are explaining you all about a most demanding modern healthcare job opportunity, medical coding. Keep watching and learn about this interesting job which also can be done from home. A medical coder is a professional who assigns codes to medical diagnoses and procedures for billing and reimbursement purposes. Medical coders are responsible for ensuring that medical claims are accurately coded and processed in accordance with insurance policies and government regulations. Medical coding is a critical component of the healthcare industry, as it helps healthcare providers receive payment for their services and ensures that patients receive the appropriate care. Medical coding jobs require a high level of accuracy and attention to detail. Medical coders must be familiar with medical terminology, anatomy, and physiology, as well as coding systems such as ICD-10, ICD-9, CPT, and HCPCS. They must also be proficient in using coding software and have excellent communication and organizational skills. To become a medical coder, you typically need a high school diploma or equivalent. Many employers prefer candidates with an associate's degree in medical coding or a related field. Certification is also available through organizations such as the American Academy of Professional Coders, AAPC, and the American Health Information Management Association, AHIMA. Certification can help you stand out in the job market and demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers. AAPC is a leading provider of medical coding education, certification, and training, and also Coursera offers online courses on medical codings as well. Medical coding jobs are available in a variety of settings, including hospitals, clinics, physician offices, and insurance companies. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of medical records and health information technicians, which includes medical coders, is projected to grow 8% from 2020 to 2030, faster than the average for all occupations. This growth is due to an aging population and an increased need for healthcare services. Indeed is a job search website that specializes in healthcare jobs. You can find job opportunities in medical coding on their website. In conclusion, medical coding is a critical component of the healthcare industry. Medical coders play an important role in ensuring that medical claims are accurately coded and processed per insurance policies and government regulations. If you are interested in pursuing a career in medical coding, you should consider obtaining an associate's degree in medical coding or a related field and obtaining certification through organizations such as the AAPC or AHIMA. With the growing demand for healthcare services, medical coding jobs are expected to be in high demand in the coming years. If you need online consultancy about this job or similar jobs in the healthcare domain, academic and professional consultations, please do contact us through WhatsApp at +94 76 911 1820 for further assistance. Also, if you think that this video is useful for your friends and contacts, please share and support us. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you and see you soon in another video.